Hi, I'm Phil. I'm the Director of Community Development at Goldback Inc. In this video, you'll learn how to sign up local businesses to accept Goldbacks and why this is one of the smartest moves you can make as a distributor. You'll see the short-term and long-term incentives for you and the businesses you bring on, how growing the merchant network strengthens your precious metals business locally, real success stories, practical ideas from distributors already doing this. If you sell Goldbacks, you already know their value, but if more businesses around you accept them, demand would rise, and so would your sales. I'll show you exactly why merchant growth matters and how to do it step by step.
Well, when customers come in, a lot of them I already know, and I know they have businesses. I then ask them, would you like to take gold instead of cash at your business? And ears immediately perk up at that. The more business that accept Goldbacks, the more customers I can sell them to.
That's Stephanie from Flying Eagle Coins. They worked hard to grow the network around their local area and have experienced the benefits of it firsthand. They've signed up over 50 businesses already. Something as simple as signing up a new merchant can have a lasting impact on both your business and the merchant's business. There are three main impacts we've seen. First, you gain repeat customers. People who spend Goldbacks need to restock them, and they'll come to you to buy more. Second, you attract new audiences. When you sign up a merchant, their customers become your customers. They can range from young professionals to families. Third, you boost overall sales. Every merchant you sign up will promote Goldbacks and your store. When those businesses thrive, you thrive. It can take some time to feel the impacts of growing the network, but in the meantime, we won't let your work go unrewarded. That's why we created the Limited Early Release, or LER program. This program gives you instant rewards for growing the network. Every time you sign up a business, Goldback will send you a limited edition collectible. Here's how it works. Step 1, find a business, identify a shop or service that could take gold as payment. Step 2, encourage them to apply. Have them fill out the merchant application at goldback.com and enter your name or business as the referral. Step 3, get your reward. Once the business is approved, both you and the merchant will receive a graded, limited early release Goldback made specifically for your state. If your state doesn't have an LER yet, we'll send you a graded silverback now and your state's LER when it launches.
That's extra incentive. I mean, who doesn't want free gold?
How to sign up a business. So how do you start? Step 1, ask your customers. Many of them already own or work in small businesses. Step 2, show them the map. Pull up the merchant map at goldback.com and let them know that they'll get a free listing on Goldback's website and app. Explain that it's an easy way to get new customers who are looking to spend gold. Step 3, show them the Goldback app. It comes with a calculator and transaction log that makes it easy to process transactions. Step 4, visit local shops.
We've gone door to door, even just our small businesses, my neighbors, for example, hair salons, tattoo parlors. I mean, once you show them, it was reflecting off his face, the light, because the sun was hitting the gold and his eyes were just so big, because, you know, that glint of gold.
And that's just the beginning. Once you're comfortable signing up new businesses, you can get more creative and even enlist some help.
I have a young man who comes in with his dad once a week. He's 14, and now the last few months since we've been a distributor, he's been buying the Goldbacks. So we have set him up now to go explain to other people that he knows so he can sign up other people. And so he is now an extension of us.
Every business you sign up strengthens your community, supports local trade, and gets you more customers. You're not just selling gold, you're building a gold economy. Start today, sign up one local business, help them accept Goldbacks, and help your business grow.